Hey, my name is Damian. I will teach you about the top 5 best summer jobs you can pick if you are a student who wanna make some extra cash on your vacation. Number 1. Selling pot. No, I'm making jokes. Don't sell weed, don't do anything illegal. The only illegal thing you can do is tax fraud, but not selling pot. We don't wanna go get to jail. Number 1 is gonna be working as a server. Working as a server is a great opportunity if you want to improve your social skills, because no matter if you're outgoing or shy, the job will force you to work with people. And it worked out for me very great. And the better you will get, the more tips you will get. Number 2. Car factories. Every summer, a lot of big car factories from companies like Mercedes-Benz or BMW take young students during the holidays. And I think this is a very good option because they give you high wages and good working conditions. Also, working at big car factories will give you an opportunity to have a look into what it's like working in the tech industry. Number 3. Gardening. Gardening is a great option if you are looking for a flexible job. No matter where you live, there is probably a gardening company, small or big, and they all the time looking for young and inexperienced people. The skills you learn in a gardening company you can use later during the year, for example, working in your neighborhood. And from my own experience, I can tell you, gardening will teach you how to start respect money, because it's not the easiest jobs you will do. Number 4. Working as a barista. If you live in a city, you can pick up a job at a coffee shop. You probably make yourself a coffee every morning, so you're already halfway through to becoming a barista. Working as a barista is also a good opportunity to make yourself recognizable in your area. Number 5. McDonald's. If all the other things don't work out, I would consider this as a fallback option. Working in a fast food chain is probably not the most fun job you can pick, but they are hiring all over the year. So if everything goes bananas, you can always work in a fast food chain. You know, if you don't have what you want, you sometimes need to take what life gives you. This is the end of the video. I'll try to make it as fast as possible because I respect your time. See you in the next one. And remember, make it big. Also, working at big car factories will give you a working at big car factories have a look into the